Sand quarriers and miners are facing major inconveniences as the state government fails to provide legal sand mining and stone quarrying sites. Manipur Kaithel Phambi Apunba Loop says condition of Imam Market worsens due to lack of proper care by government and Imphal Municipal Council. And Manipur Police, Narcotics and Affairs of Border, Assam Rifles and various organizations seizes many contraband drugs from various parts. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. I'm Jay Xiaoina with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Sand quarriers and miners are facing major inconveniences as the state government failed to provide legal sand mining and stone quarrying sites. Owner of DI 407 Tata Trucks and drivers held a public meeting regarding the matter at supermarket parking in Kanchipur today. The meeting formed a committee and resolved to hold a meeting at Leishang Hidden from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. tomorrow. Speaking to media, committee convener Kangujam Rajan intimated the inconveniences faced by owners of DI 407 and Tata drivers, sand quarriers and miners since the order by the High Court of Manipur imposing ban to utilize heavy vehicles used in transport in illegal sand mining and quarrying. He also asserted that even the government contractors failed to provide materials for construction of houses. Maintaining that the situation has led to failures to pay vehicle monthly installments and brings much plight to many families, Rajan appealed all the vehicle owners, drivers and workers related to the construction work of the state to attend the meeting, which will be held tomorrow.
Manipur government aina yade haidana akoida lebak jingi hare aina yadaba matamduda akoida gisu government da royalty ni haina pasha kara ga adum chatlami aduga chatliba matamduda aina yadaba pot puba akoidagi royalty su lauraga aina yadaba government nama chalairabra haibase mayam pulap oina hangningbo wafam am oikalakba Manipur government na aina yaba kwari lauthokpa ngamdrisi karigino ain semiba Manipur government na aina yaba nung pekpham laingoi pekpham aina yaba thabak subham piba ngamdabase masi yamna ikai ningai ni yumthang nariba state even Nagaland bawda tongan tongamba mining gi adugi adagi tawduna government gi tawham thokpa machan suna tawi.
President of Manipur Kaithel Phambi Apunba Loop, Makpal El Mema stated that condition of 3 Imam markets are worsening due to lack of proper care by the state government and Imphal Municipal Council. Speaking to media in a press meet held at Manipur Press Club today, Mema stated that situation of Imam Market deteriorates as the authorities fail to take up befitted actions on time. She further urged Imphal Municipal Council to inquire the condition of 3 Imam markets and take up appropriate measures to preserve the sanctity of Imam markets.
Sakdam mangwa kadai bu kawi har hauji nupa na thana lupa ka likon yoliba istiar kumbham da pofam phamhaliba istiar kumbham da kwayom phiom bangwi da kwayol halaga lambien da tawraga phamali sing do madu khoi gi sakdam kai re na ina logjai simbo kai ba toiriba myam se atuba matam da municipality na amadi mood ki department na tanaraga thuna yengbiraga masi verification tawbira kanda madugi poto loira kanda khoi sakdam se kai ba toy ba se ta mention view asidai sidai khoi na haibada ta da na man thokpa tawrakani haraga di sarkar oro any person oro madugi thengna na bagi ain gi thongda ain gi mateng lorga PRL tharaga chap chana thengna bagi stand do khoi ngasi gi luxury bai khoi loina ma ki mi pham china khoi madu ready da lorga khoi yajade.
All Manipur physical efficiency test successful candidates of 10 and 11 IRB Riflemen 2019 in a press release urged the state government to conduct the written test of the candidates who have successfully passed physical efficiency tests of the 10th and 11th Indian Reserve Battalion IRB held on February at the earliest. The association proposed to the authorities concerned to conduct the written test examination in online mode. Secretary of All Manipur Government Higher Secondary Contract Lecturers, DPC Face Candidate Association Akoijam Romeo, urged the concerned authorities to announce the result of the DPC Face candidates for the post of Higher Secondary Contract Lecturer within July 20. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Romeo warned of various forms of democratic agitations if the concerned authorities fail to declare the result within the given deadline. He mentioned that Education Minister Thokcham Radisham has declared to announce the withheld results for the DPC in January. He expressed disappointment over the authorities for failing to announce the result till date.
Mamang Sahigi, June Gitang Kumato, Emadi July Gitang Tarukta, Post Masing Satruka Marfunipangi contract lecture Lobagi, DPC, Nasip Hawakoi, Paul Lautuktan Lady, Masi Kogi, Hojik Tengariba, Ozasingi Awabasing Biraga, Kogi, Association Gi Maike Dagi, DPC, Gi Folasi, Atu Matam da July Gitang Kungim, Kun Pawagi Manunga Lautupiuna, Koi Association Gi Maike Dagi Hajari, Tabaksima Kogi, Honorable Education Minister Masamangna, Mama Handak Sahigi, January Gi, Thada, Sungsoi Soiduna Haidukani, Habagi Presta, Punkiba, Pausu Lairabani, Aduga, Kuigi, Tasigi Tang Nipan, the Su, Press Note Pigibasu, Haidupiu, Haidana, Press Note Pigibaki, Association Maike de Gisu Laikravani, Atumatamda, Tabagasi Haidu Pidragadi, Association Maike Degi, Yam the Democratic Webamongda, Akan Bakunjan Kaya, Sanction Nabaki the Maxim Sabalojere.
Tobacco products sold around the campus of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences were seized and set ablaze today. A tree plantation drive was also carried out at Jennings campus. Speaking to media, Jennings Director D.H. Bimo stated that the tree plantation drive was conducted with an aim to fight the climate change in the world to some extent. He also asserted that the tobacco products were set ablaze to make the institute a free tobacco zone. Students, staffs and police personnel of Jennings attended the event.
July completement si World Tree Plantation Day haidana tauraga koigi pambising thabasi sanai ado koi Jennings ki su maruaina hospital campus ta leiriba ising nungsit sing si hena luna na thamnawa adegi patient sing su pambising si chaura kanda pambi makha da shelter leibina pothana ba adugumba Pandamda Tauraga, Aquina, Masigi, Pambising Tabagisi, Bangkok Sabani.
Patsoy police, along with narcotics and affairs of border, jointly seized Indian-made foreign liquor bottles worth 20 lakh rupees from a truck traveling from Jiribam to Imphal today. The seized intoxicants were produced before Judicial Magistrate First Class Imphal West 2 and later disposed of by Imphal West Additional SP Hemanta, Patsoy Police OC in charge Premanandi and officials of NAP along with local club members and Mayra Paibi. Acting on a tip-off, a combined team of 43 Assam Rifles and Moray Police seized contraband wool is your WY tablets worth around 8,42,250 rupees in international market from a Myanmar today. The miscreant is identified as 40-year-old MH Wana from Tamil. The team arrested the individual during a search operation at H. Langcham village in Moray in Indo-Myanmar border town. The arrested person along with confiscated items were handed over to Moray police for further interrogation. Ketrugao Meitei Pangal, Apunba Anti-Drug Committee, apprehended 4 women along with contraband drugs, heroin number 4 worth around 8,000 rupees from some areas in North AOC today. Members of the committee maintained that 5 drug abusers were arrested from Ketrugao auto parking today. Upon interrogation, they revealed were procured the contraband drugs. The arrested person were produced before Kongpal Youth Voluntary Organization in Kongpal Mamang Sabal Laikai and later handed over to the police for further interrogation. Imphal East Police team arrested a drug peddler from Ketri Awang Laikai around 9:45 p.m. yesterday. The miscreant was apprehended by a team comprising of Imphal East Commando OC, Sakti Sain and Imphal East 2 1C Inspector Rajiv Khan, led by Imphal East Deputy SP Operation R.K. Charles. The miscreant is identified as 40-year-old MD Salim Saha from Khetri Awang Laikai, son of late MD Samir Saha. 700 strips of SP tablets and N10 tablets were recovered from Salim. Porongpat Police Station has registered a case and investigations are underway. As part of the security measures taken in the state, Imphal West District Commando team conducted door-to-door combing operation at Imakaitel, Kasturi and Tera Sapam Lairag today. The team, under the supervision of Additional SP Operations, Imphal West Police, Aribam Ganashyam, carried out the search drive from this morning till afternoon. Altogether, 150 individuals were verified during the drive, out of which 7 individuals who failed to produce any identification documents were handed over to City Police Station for further verification. Imphal East District Commando team also conducted cordon and search operation at Palace Gate, Jenims Crossing and Lamlong areas today. The team, under the supervision of Additional SP Operation, Imphal East Police Krishna Tombi, carried out the search drive this morning. Altogether, 150 individuals were verified during the drive, out of which 26 individuals who failed to produce any identification documents were handed over to Porongpat Police Station for further verification. A combined team of 43 Assam Rifles and Moray Police today conducted search operation at various parts of Moray town to probe investigation for the brutal murder of town commander of United Kuki Liberation Front UKLF, Mr. Lalthang John Gangte, who was shot dead by unknown miscreants yesterday. The team, under the supervision of SP of Technopol, DH Vikramjit Singh and Colonel of 43 Assam Rifles Sumit Sood, conducted the search operations. However, no arrest has been made till now. Meanwhile, the ban imposed at Moray regarding the same has hugely affected normal lives of the people in Moray. Market, shops and business trade in India, Myanmar remain closed. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on valedictory event of 1-month-long 25th training program on Moirang Pervo tradition at Iboyay Masumang Lila, Sanglen. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. 1-month-long 25th training program on Moirang Pervo tradition, jointly organized by Manipur State Sumang Lila Council and Theatre Mirror, Imphal, concluded at Iboyay Masumang Lila, Sanglen today. Speaking at the valedictory event, Camp Director and Lifetime Secretary of Manipur State Sumang Lila Council, Saugrakpam Hemantas, stated that the training program was held annually with an aim to preserve and protect Moirang Pervo. Imphal East Adaksha, PB Molai, and Imphal West Adaksha, RK Taruni, served as resource persons and also distributed certificates to the 62 trainees who attended the program.
Sumang Lila amadi Moirang Prabasi Kananabagi Wakalol Yoro Lamdamasi training Jipangtuini. And Manipura Lady Hogolai Bangang Singida Sumang Lila Habise Kogi Theatre ni Moirang Prabase Kogi Theatre ni Akogi Theatre Kandabiade Akogi culture gi element Kayadana Ta Semba art form Sequina Kandabiade Habagi Wakalol Amada Equina Asugumba program Jipangtuini. Akoi Takpiri is a Goi Takpirimni, Isai Takpirimni, tradition gi music me amja Takpirimni, and Martian art Takpirimni. Theatre ki maram da nei nari kalakar mo be anabagi the performer mo be anabagi ahan be ho this koi pata tai.
Social worker Mong Jampore Hanba provided safe drinking water today to the people of Chana in Lamlai constituency who are facing water scarcity problem. Speaking to media, Mong Jampore Hanba stated that scanty rainfall during monsoon season has led to water scarcity problems in various parts of Lamlai, including Chana. He also lamented over non-functioning of Pidonu water supply in Chana for the last 10 years. Bora Henba stated that the event was held upon informing him of plights facing the villagers by Nongmaikon Progressive Youth Club and Mayra Paibi of the area. He further demanded to resign local MLA who failed to address the plights facing the people. Orohenba further assured of various initiatives to avail safe drinking water to residents of Lamlai.
अखोई केंद्र सिदा लेरिबा वाटर सप्लाई सिंगसी अमत इसिंग चांग नायना पीदबा अखोई नोंग चुरप मतमदा इसिंग अफबा थक्प फंगदबगी अवाबा होजि होजि थेंगनरी पीएचडी डिपार्टमेंट सी अखोई लमलाई केंद्र की ओइनदी अखोई लेइत्रे हाइना लोबो यारे मोगी साइट तगी अखोई सही खुदिंग नोंग हेक चुरप मतम से अखोई इसिंग की केनोसी सुमंग फंगबा लेइत्रे अखोई सिदैसिदा वाटर सप्लाई सि मसुंगता थाबा लेइत्रे मै लेनबा डिपार्टमेंट सिंग सु यंगसन बियो दुग मरु ओइना अखोई लमलाई की लेरिबा अखोई लमलाई ऑनरेबल एमएलए सिनसु अखोई सिगुंबा सि मतंग सिदा अखोई करिगुबम त तौदना करिगुबम त हाइदना तुमिना लेबसी लमलाई केंद्र की प्रजा सिंगदा इसिंग अफबा पिथकप ngam
General Secretary of Nongmai Kon Progressive Youth Club, Okensana, lamented over non-availability of safe drinking water of 120 households at Chennai for the last 10 years. He added the water for the couple of ponds available in the area has been using for daily necessities. However, the pond dried up due to scanty rainfall and people are buying water. Okensana also asserted that the matter has been apprised to the local MLA, but no actions till date.
Isingi awabasi ekoina local gi MLA singa pau phone na bahon zabada ngam khidaba tangai phadana magi site tagi so ekoi tobi gi haibagi wafam laktaba aduga ekoi khungang asi sana si ekoi ching pat turel amau lejadaba ekoi apikpa pukri ani khak lejai pukri ani asi hauji ising sinaba yaraktaba nong marang kaina taraktaba aduga ekoi ising asi chingchin gi araga so atopa mafam dagi ising chingchin ningai leitaba ekoi mafam asida Nongmaikon Progressive Youth Club sana gi hall gi mamangda ekoi ising asi mongjam poire hinba ma samang laga yenthokpa hogjare makhatana yum gi awat pa patra singda ngasi numidang wairam phawda ising asi yenjanaba thorang tawjari.
Retaining walls at Sikandar Khan, Ayub Khan, Ibungo and Sikandar of Imphal River in Kairao constituency might collapse if any huge wave ever hits it. Residents of the area appeal the local MLA and authorities concerned to look into the deplorable condition of the river banks. Speaking to media, social worker Wahidur Rahman recalled the inconveniences faced by people of the area during past flood situations. He also asserted that the relevant authorities and the local MLA failed to look after the plights facing the people during flood. Maintaining that the paddy fields in the constituency are facing water scarcity problems, Wahidur Rahman further expressed the desire to provide water pumps as the area is surrounded by 3 rivers and the problems can be solved to some extent.
Ising ichaw lakpa matamda mafam asida kaisalaga sigi turen sigi akogi nongpomda lekhire mafam sing asida leiriba praja sing ase awaba kaya mayong nodna lakli hai mafam sing asi phawda lengak ke maikei digi kariguma mi amhok changbide masi athu matamda sarkar gi maikei digi natraga mari lem authority na mi changbidna praja sing na thamoida phawriba ising lakpa matamda panchi kai gadra na chingdari mafam sing se amdong yengkhin bidna praja ga awabasi kokhan binaba sarkar gi maikei amadi sarkar su lusingbiri basi misegi puni jinjari akoina hojik yamwana ising chingdana atopa source gi ising lawraga nagadori balose amuka isau laga kai gadra aduga mangadra haibagi akogi mipaiba yam pongdari.
Government of the People's Republic of Nagalim, GPRN, a government of NSCN-IM strongly condemned the Operation Kekru Naga conducted by Indian Army at Kekru Naga village in Temenglong district, which falsely incriminated NSCN-IM. Claiming that Indian Army along with some individuals are trying to defame NSCN-IM in southern Nagalim owing to the fact that Temenglong is under the jurisdiction of the southern Nagalim. GPRN maintained that Indian Army are rejoicing over the arms and ammunition stolen from the mobile hideouts of NSCN. GPRN further asserted that one Thailik Pau Palmai arrested by Indian Army has been dismissed from Naga National Service in June. Book Club Imphal organized an intercollegiate quiz competition at Modern College, Porongpa today. The quiz competition, entitled Losing 2019, was participated by students coming from various colleges across the state. Manipur State Council and All India Students Federation jointly organized state-level convention at Irabud Bhavan, Imphal today. Representatives of the organization coming from various districts of the state took part in the event. Speaking at the event, convener of state-level convention, R.K. Amushna, highlighted the major inconveniences facing the students of the state in their academic careers. He asserted that the convention will fight for the students and urged the relevant departments to look into such matters.
Housing Maruina, Manipur, Yamna confusion way, like Pakasiki administration. I quite Satra singing with Tongtaba, Lyric Tamna higher study to Pangdaba, BA Lurgi Emetama Pangdaba, class 10 pastor with Teptama Pangdabi, Portama Laibese, Satra Gitungi, Pusers, Mangpase, Masikumakayaze, Kumna Kanaraga, Masikaram Torga Tingsige, Masikanada Tainagani. Karigi the Maktamasi Toibuno, Kanana Tolibuno, Hybedu special convention, Masigi convention, whatever Loraga, a koi Soidana, Lebaxi, the education system, Poranga Kanga, privatization, Torpa, Pachanum Sam Tinglakwa, Tawul from Rankang, the Bukazing, Nasi convention, whatever, Madu Kanaraga, Lower Matunda, Karehana Faba, Lambi the Poranga Sarkar, Lengak, the Tangan of Gedung, become money.
Lamdeng Merapaibi club members and residents repaired the road passing through Lamdeng in Lamshang, Imphal West. It may be mentioned that despite repeated pleas by the residents to the authorities concerned, the road remained in deplorable condition and caused various inconveniences to commuters, especially during rainy season. Thangmaiban Youth Social Reformation and Development Committee and 32 Old Smile Dental Clinic, Nagamapal jointly organized one-day free dental and medical camp at Ima Panthoibi Shanglen in Thangmaiban Sinam Laikai today. 6 dental doctor, MBBS Dr. Tayenjam Ranjita, led by dental pediatrics Dr. Elizabeth check of various individuals of the locality. Free medicines were also distributed during the camp. Wangkhem constituency residents, club members and Merapaibi carried out a protest demonstration against the order of the education director issued on June 12, stating to emerge Yaripok Huidrom Primary School to Wangkhem Junior High School. The sit-in protest was staged at Yaripok Huidrom Primary School today. The protester also warned of intense agitations if the order is not revoked at the earliest. Singjamai Chingamakha, Apunba Nupi Loop and Salai Apunba Nupi Lamjing Loop jointly carried out a protest demonstration at Chingamakha today. The protesters strongly condemned the incident of firing bullets towards the daughter of human rights defender Mangsatabam Sobita from Kakwa Naurem Laikai, Boroi Makong. Nongmaikong Apunba Merapaibi Association and Socio-Economic Development Organization also staged a protest demonstration condemning the incident. Workers of Bharat Swamiman Trust and Patanjali Yoga Samiti, Imphal West District planted 3 saplings at Haibok Mahadev, Haibokching in relation to the 70th Van Mahotsav today. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Sand quarriers and miners are facing major inconveniences as the state government fails to provide legal sand mining and stone quarrying sites. Manipur Kaithel Phambi Apunba Loop says condition of Ima market worsens due to lack of proper care by government and Imphal Municipal Council. And Manipur Police, Narcotics and Affairs of Border, Assam Rifles and various organizations seizes many contraband drugs from various parts.